make a quick 10-second kind of anecdotal thing that Rahul Dravid had said. When Rahul Dravid went to bat in actually England, that was his first series, he said that actually Tendulkar, like you said, was a really big star by then. Although they were of the same age, Dravid was actually coming into the team. Dravid said that when he came into, Dravid was already batting and Tendulkar came to bat in one of the matches. Tendulkar came to him and started asking him how is the pitch, how exactly things are. Dravid said that for the first 10-20 seconds he thought he's probably joking with him. But then he realized that no, this guy is damn serious. He's a student of the game who basically wants to plan his actually strategy as to how he will bat, depending on what actually feedback he gets from Rahul Dravid. So that's the greatness of the man. Yeah, let's move on to.
So when Wasim Akram became a superstar, he carried on that culture, and he revolted against Javed Miandar, and Javed Miandar had to give up his captaincy because Imran retired, but Javed was still around. Javed was given the captaincy.
Was not very old at that time. Yeah, he had some years.
But Wasim Akram took that Kotri culture forward. He took that baton from Imran Khan, and he thought that the difference between Karachi cricket and Lahore cricket is still there in Pakistan.
Yeah.
Because that is what has happened in Pakistan. See, that is what Tendulkar stopped, or all the dressing room atmosphere, all the Kotri culture was stopped because of Tendulkar. But Wasim Akram aggravated that for Pakistan because
he did it for his own political interest. See, the problem with Wasim Akram, if you see, right, Wasim Akram, Wasim Akram's biggest problem was he used to treat actually Waqar Younis as a rival. He was actually threatened by the presence of Waqar Younis to an extent. And Waqar Younis, I have seen him on record saying that the biggest loss of his career was not being able to play in 92 World Cup, because of injury. Because he thinks that he also would have contributed same or even more than actually Akram did. So that insecurity might have led to this.
So I think Wasim Akram till date, the influence which he had in Pakistan team is still haunting Pakistan team because see, Tendulkar brought a uniformity, he brought in sense of a kind of security among the players. Whereas Wasim Akram used to
make them insecure. He brought in insecurity in the team.
I think Pakistan team, I think other teams in that era, apart from South African team, other teams were weaker. Okay, that's why Pakistan in 99 World Cup, if you look at it, the format was not good. Okay.
Yeah, it was not good.
That kind of destroyed some of the team to go to the semi-final because India suffered because of that. And Wasim Akram somehow has kind of created that. He has only aggravated the problem which Imran and Javed had.
Yeah.
And he kind of took he became a flag bearer of
India.
Wasim Akram, as we tell, he's a brilliant champion cricketer. There's no doubt.
He finds a place in all the World 11 generation.
Yes.
So yes, Tendulkar and he probably are the tallest players for their respective countries across actually generations. Wasim Akram, undoubtedly, he is seen as the best left-arm fast bowler.
Yes.
He lost
he was a very, very talented.
Yeah.
Very talented guy.
He used to bowl quick.
But he was. That what comes out is that he was not a humble guy. He was a very talented guy, but he was not a humble guy. He had his own high-handedness.
Flashy lifestyle.
Yeah, he has his own high-handedness.
He wanted attention. Right.
Yes.
He wanted attention.
But unlike Tendulkar, who put
exactly the opposite.
Yes. Cricket and country ahead of him, because Tendulkar could have taken captaincy at any point of time. Okay, but he never took it. Once he gave it back, he never took it.
But sir, it also depends on the board. I guess if the board has that kind of reputation, because BCCI have always a good reputation. अगर टीम
because
टीम संभाल नहीं पा रही है या फिर वो कौन
no, no, PCB का problem क्या है? Yeah, no, Indian cricket board chief, PCCI chief, if you look at it, politicians have been there, but they were never influenced the cricket. They have only managed the administration part. Whereas in Pakistan, the entire buck stops at the Prime Minister office. So that's why if you look at it, their cricket is suffering because there are too many changes.